actually want you to feel the car.
I know, because I was like, I know it has the power.
Yep. RPMs go. Shift. Faster.
What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today I'm really excited for this one that I have here today. I am going to be learning how to drive manual in a 2008 Mustang Bullitt. It is my friend Eric's. This Mustang right here. Got it posed up with the wife. I love it. This is his wife Brandy. She wanted to be in the video today, and this is the baby we're going to be driving. I know it has some modifications done to it. So you're saying it makes about how much wheel horsepower at this point?
Well, I know it's 315 stock, but a lot has been done to it. I need to get it dynoed, but I'm hoping for probably 400. I'm thinking maybe.
Okay.
With all the mods.
Okay.
That's a
plenty of horsepower to learn manual on. So I'm not gonna hide the fact that I am a little nervous, but I'm very eager to learn. Do not roast me in the comments. We're gonna see how this goes, but I'm pretty confident in myself. I think I'm gonna catch on pretty quickly. We'll see how the clutch feels. That's the one thing I'm worried about. I have attempted to drive a manual Mustang about 3 years ago. That one was also a 2008, but it was a V6. The clutch was a little stiff and it was kind of far. Like, I really had to put my foot all the way down. I'm a little short, so that part was a little hard for me. So that's the only thing I'm concerned about, but we'll kind of see how I feel for the gears and everything like that. But yeah, stay tuned. I can push the clutch in all the way right now just to feel.
Okay, yeah, you can do anything.
Oof. All right. I feel like we have to get really close.
Yeah, get a feel for the gears too, so you know where they're at.
Okay.
Anytime you're neutral, it's right in the middle.
That's 3, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'm trying to do it without looking. All right.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5's gonna be an issue. I really gotta go over the 5.
It'll take a little bit of practice.
All right. And I'm gonna start it. Now, I have to keep my foot on the clutch, right? Or do I? While it's idling?
When it's idling, no.
Okay.
Actually,
so I can just,
it's better that you don't keep it on the clutch, because really the longer you keep your foot on the clutch, that wears it out. So we talked about this a little bit last time, and I think it's good to look up or understand how a manual transmission works. Right. The clutch is the middle of the engine and the transmission, and you got to think about the engine is always spinning. It's on right now, and it's turning right now, and right now we're disengaged, we're in neutral, and so the transmission is just sitting there ready to do something.
Right.
And when you press the clutch in and you engage the gear, that's when the flywheel and the disc touch, and then that's when the transmission goes.
Okay.
Yeah. Of course, we all know about stalling the car. That's one of people's biggest, I think, fear factors, I guess. Yeah. I don't think it's a big deal, especially when you're learning. I know a lot of people think that you want to learn on a crappy car because you might do a little damage to it. Really, I think it's probably better to do on a more of a sports car, because they're more designed for abuse.
We're gonna find out.
Yeah. Now you can slowly let go of the clutch and you'll feel it grab, and then you'll just idle with it. There you go. All right, we're going to second gear. All right. It's not bad. All right. if you're unsure, like you think you're not going to, that's okay.
There we go. First one. First one, I was like, I knew it was happening.
That's all right. If you're not confident and you're still trying to find that sweet spot, you can rev the RPMs up a little bit. You know, maybe another 1,000 RPM. What do we idle at? About 800. So you can bring it up to like 1,500 RPM a little bit. That helps you get up and going, especially if you're on a hill or whatever. You want to give it a little bit more RPMs. It's really good. Very smooth.
Not bad.
That's really good. I mean, if it was an emergency, you can get to where you need to go. That's how I see it. Actually, it's good that you
there we go.
Practice this part.
Yeah, no.
So don't even put it in second gear anymore. What I want you to do, I like at least 5 or 6 times, maybe this whole strip right here behind the building. Just, you know, put it in first, find the sweet spot, let it go. Then then stop, press the clutch and stop, and just keep repeating that process so you can find the spot where it's grabbing. Good. All right, stop, put your clutch in. Stop. Perfect. All right, that's great. All right, just now keep practice doing that and just making it more smooth each time. A little jerky, it's all right. You got it going. That's why we're practicing. All right, stop again. That's good. All right, let's stop. Do it again. It's all about the reps. You gotta get those reps in.
yeah, it's like you can't go to higher weights if you don't get this down. Okay.
You gave it a little gas right at the same time. Yeah, it was good. Nice and smooth.
That was a rough one.
That was a little rough. I think you're probably at a little bit of a disadvantage because, like you said, you are short and you have to use your whole foot. You can't just use. You have to use your whole leg. I mean, like with me, you do too. That's probably going to be tiring a little bit, and you don't have as much control as if you just have your heel on the floorboard and you're just using your foot like that. It's just it's easier, it's smoother that way.
Yeah.
Now just drive and see how you do. Shifting.
Yeah. Okay. That's really good.
So it's just that first gear issue.
That's the bugaboo.
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to do that. You don't want to put any kind of pressure on the clutch when you're not using it. Another thing, that was really good. Yep.
So let me see if I can change the second.
See how it jerked a little?
Yeah.
If you would have like quickly hit the gas before you downshifted, it would have been a smoother transition. Not a big deal. You gotta master being smooth first before you go fast. Be smooth. That was really good. Yep. I think you like second gear.
Yeah.
You bog down.
Rough.
You bog down. So that means that you are going in too high of a gear with the
close.
Yeah, just I think you're a little bit too fast on the clutch. That's good. That was really good.
It's like my second and third gear transitions are good, but it's just getting off in first. What's one more thing you think I should try before throwing in the towel for the day? Not
for today?
I think you should get it in 5th gear. Try it.
5th gear? Yeah. We have to be going.
Just push the gas. At least 4th gear. Just push the gas.
All right, we can probably do 4th. Or
You can do
try shifting sooner or a little faster. Be a little more aggressive.
Right.
Guys,
Well, you said you got second and third gear down, so why not push it a little bit? Get in the first gear, which is your obstacle. You need to practice at that. Go a little faster in second.
All right,
and third.
I'll try for fourth.
It's muscle memory.
I'll try for fourth. Okay.
All right.
All right.
There you go. More gas.
Yeah, more gas.
More gas.
Where you guys
Don't
have me
shift
going?
Yet. Yeah, don't shift yet. Wait till you turn.
Yeah, I was like, where you guys have me going?
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, you put it in fifth.
Oh,
Yeah.
so sorry.
That's all right. I actually want you to feel the car.
I know, because I was like, I know it has the power.
Yep. RPMs go. Shift. Faster. Not bad. Not bad.
Dragon. This is really a leg workout.
Not bad.
How was that?
Yeah, I don't. You got to think about how much force it takes to start moving this car from a stop. It's kind of like when you push the car, when you first start pushing it, when it's in neutral, it's really hard. But once it's going, and it's easy to keep it rolling. It's good. Yep.
Not bad. I'm getting it. See, I feel like I'm better on a roll. Jeez.
Are you having fun?
Now I am.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. Everything else was stressful, but now I'm having fun.
Okay, good. That's the important part.
Exactly.
You gotta have fun.
Alright, let's try first gear from a roll.
Got up to 4.
Good job.
That was not bad at all.
Got up to 4,000. There you go. Very good. That was good.
That
See, we're gonna end on a good note here.
last little straight
One more
stretch.
time.
Alright. This is for all the beads.
Not bad. Ooh, yeah. I think you just hit your highest RPM. Oh God, we're all gonna die.
I definitely know how the brakes work. If anything. Alright. See if I can get rolling first. Rolling first. Oh yeah, I can get rolling first.
And also think that you don't always have to start off in first gear if you're rolling. Really, first gear is more designed just to get the car going.
Oh.
You gotta think about that. I mean, if you're rolling like really super slow, you probably want to put it in first. But if you're rolling, I don't know, 5-10 miles an hour, just put it in second and go. You don't always
That's
have to
true.
start
Yeah,
first.
I did hear it. But of course, in my head, I'm thinking, okay, go to 1 first, and then get your bearings, and
Right.
then you can go to 2 and 3. You know,
Right,
so,
right.
So didn't get to 4th gear this time, but if there's a next time, then you know maybe I'll get some more wiggle room. But of course, there are some areas where I definitely need to practice on. But I would say I would call this like I want to say this is my first time driving manual, even though it isn't. But this is my legit first time learning, like taking a long time to just feel for the gears, get from A to B safely. Because the first time I got from A to B, but I stalled way more than I did this time. but of course I knew I was gonna stall. That's bound to happen. But overall, Professor can rate me
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
Yeah.
Okay, I will take that. So it's like I will
Just
take
keep
that. Cause,
practicing.
yeah. Because like I said, there were some times where I messed up. I went down. I downshifted on accident. I went into 5th gear on accident. So that's that stuff. Rookie mistakes can only make but so many times. So that's a no-no. But overall, I feel pretty good about it. I'm interested to see how different another car would be. Sorry, this is a really long video. As you guys can tell, I wanted to kind of have you involved in as much of the process as possible, but learning manual, it literally just takes practice. And of course, I'm not going to have them out here all day while I practice. So, but thank you again, Eric. I really appreciate you letting me take your awesome car. He let me take his pride and joy. So that speaks volumes. Like I said, we work together. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity, and it makes me more excited to get behind the wheel again. And I hope I have just as much fun, because you guys saw me when I was getting into the higher RPMs and I was going down. I was feeling it. I was like, all right, now I'm starting to have fun. So, but yeah, as always, there will be another time again soon. So please make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, don't be afraid to hit it with a like, and I will see you guys in another video coming out soon. I post twice a week, so you got something to look at. So I'll see y'all next time. Take care.